Okay, now we have completed group A. We are going to the group B. Group B contains 17 questions. Each question has a 2-point worth. So the weightage of each question is 2 points. So you have to imagine that it has to be a little bit longer than what we had before. So let's read out the questions, right? Okay, the price of an object with a 13% VAT. We have VAT rate, right? So our rate of VAT is 13%. We have given the rate, R is 13%. And after VAT, it is given rupees 5,763, right? Okay. The price of an object with 13%, the VAT rate is 13%, that cost after the VAT is 5,763, right? The price of an object after VAT with 13% VAT is this. So what is the VAT amount? So I have to find out the VAT amount. Rate is given, right? I have to find the VAT amount. At this point, if we have the value of an object, we can directly say that this is 13% of that value, right? For examples, if I'm buying this pen for $5 and my VAT is 13%, then I can just calculate the VAT amount saying, okay, 13% of that $5, correct? Same thing. If we have a price of an object, then we can directly calculate 13% of that price. But the problem here is we don't have the price of an object. We do not have any price. However, we have given the price after the VAT. After the VAT, we have 5,763 rupees. So now I have to calculate what is the VAT amount that I have to pay, so that my price of the object after VAT would be this. Okay, I'm jotting down all the informations. Okay, we have given the rate, VAT rate 13%. After VAT, price of object plus VAT is given here, 5,763. Okay, VAT amount equals to what? Now, let us suppose the price of an object, I'm going to write down the object, okay? The price of an object equals to X. We are assuming the price is X because we do not know. If we know the price, we can just calculate 13% of that, right? So now calculate the VAT from there. So the VAT amount, because we know the price now, right? It is X. So the 13% of X, because I have to pay that much VAT, 13% VAT out of X. So this is nothing more than 13 over 100 times X, which is nothing more than 13x over 100. Correct? Now we have the VAT amount. Is that my answer? No, because I have to find out the value of X. Once I have the value of X, I can substitute down here, then get the value of that amount. Okay, but look at here. We know the price of object. We know the VAT amount. If I sum them up, I should get this, correct? So, you know that after VAT means price after VAT, let me say that. Price after VAT equals to price of an object, right? object plus VAT. Not VAT rate, right? VAT. So I have, after VAT, I have a 5,763 equals to, I have a price of an object down here, which is X, plus I have a VAT. I have a VAT amount, which is 13x over 100. Right? I just substitute the value of every variables, right? Price after the VAT, we have given down here. Price of an object, we assumed here. And the VAT is, we calculated here. Substituting all those values, I got this. So let me write down one more line here. It's 5,763 equals to, if I take a LCM from here, there is a 1, right? If there is nothing means 1. 100 divided by 1 is a 100, so 100 times x, right? That 100 goes down here, so 100 plus 100 divided by 100 is 1. 1 times 13 is 13x. Now solving this, 100x plus 13x is 113x, right? So you just copy them, equals to 113x over 100. If you cross multiply this, right? If you cross multiply this, so what I mean, this goes there, right? So 5,763 0 zeros, you just multiply this, cross multiplications, right? Equals to 113x. Now dividing both sides by 113, that's how they teach down here, okay? You can just say, okay, this goes down, okay, x equals to 5,763,00113. So how they say in the United States, they say, okay, dividing both sides by 113 here and here, both sides, and then that's how we come, right? Because 113 and 113 cancels out. But what we say, okay, this goes down. So the system is a little bit different, but the essential meaning is the same thing. Actually, it has to be divided both sides by 113. So if I divide that, I got 5,100. I didn't calculate it, okay? Now, is that my answer? No. This is the price of an object. I need to find the VAT amount. I need to find the VAT amount. So what is the VAT amount is? This. So substituting the value of x down here, so VAT amount equals to 13x over 100. So substituting the value of x is here 5100, right? Substituting the value of x here, right? So then I should get 663. Therefore, that amount equals to rupees. You may have to write down the units, right? 663. That is your answer. See what I did? Okay, 13% is given. After VAT is given, I need to find the VAT amount, right? If I know the price of an object, I can directly calculate that. But the problem is we don't have that. So I'm assuming the price of an object equals to x. Once I know the price of an object, I can calculate that VAT amount because it's a 13% of that price. So 13% of x. When this percent means 13 over 100 times x, which is 13x over 100. Now we know that after VAT means price plus VAT. Price plus VAT. Substituting the value of this after VAT, which is 5,763, equals to price of an object is x plus VAT amount is 13x over 100. By simplifying these two terms, I got this, and this is just copy that. If you want to explain this one, okay, 100 divided by 1 is 100. So 100 times x is 100x plus 100 and 100 cancel out. So 13x is 13x. Now I'm adding 100x and 13x is 113x because there are 100 apples and 13 apples, which is 113 apples. 113x over 100 over 100. Same copying the left side. Now cross multiply. This goes there, right? So cross multiplying, I got this. 113x times 1 is 113x. Dividing both side by, this goes down, right? This goes down here. So x equals to this. So by simplifying this, I use the calculator on my mobile. So I got x equals to 5100. That is the price of an object, not the VAT amount. You are looking for that amount. So the VAT amount is down here, 13x over 100. Substitute the value 5100 down here. So 13x over 100 is my VAT amount. When I substituted the value, I got 663 is my answer. Yeah, that's your correct answer. Thank you.